Hello guys, how to change notification sounds on your iPhone for various type of apps, message, WhatsApp, other apps you can change notification sound for different apps, different types. Tap on settings. Here tap on notifications. If you choose sounds and haptics, it the option will not available haptics. Most of the users visit sounds and haptics to do so. So tap on notification. Here scroll down notification style and choose app for which you want to change notification sound. We will select WhatsApp and sounds, and at the bottom WhatsApp notification settings you will find. So tap on WhatsApp notifications settings from the bottom of the iPhone page, and here tap on sounds, alert tones, and choose various types of sound from here. Anyone you want to use, choose from here, and WhatsApp notification sound will be changed as per your choice. Through this procedure you can change various type of apps notification sound from here.